Creepy cramp rolls, beginner Halloween tap dance, that's what you're going to learn in this video. Be sure to stay tuned to the end so you can find out how to get access to the song for free and how you can get our Halloween tap pack for just $1. You're not going to want to miss that. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Before we start learning it, why don't we take a look at the whole dance? Well, now that you've seen it, let's jump in and learn it. Starting with your right foot, you have dig, step, step, flap, heel, heel. Again, 6, 7, and dig, step, step, flap, heel, heel. Let's put some counts on it. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now take that pattern and do it on the left foot. Dig, step, step, flap, heel, heel. I'll do that left side again. 6, ready, go. Dig, step, step, flap, heel, heel. Let's connect that from the top. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's roll that one more time. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, stamp, stamp, toe out, toe in. Stamp, stamp, toe out, toe in. If you want to have some fun, you can have your head match your toe. Stamp, stamp, look front, look side, and stamp, stamp, look in front, look inside. I'm going to do that one more time, a little faster. 6, ready, go. Stamp, stamp, toe and toe, stamp, stamp, toe and toe. Let's add that on from the top. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, spank step, clap, heels, toes, heels. Again, that last part was spank step, clap, heels, toes, heels. Let's add that on from the top. 6, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spank step, clap, heels, toes, heels. So that's where that new part fits in right after. Stamp, stamp, toe, toe. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's roll it one more time from the top. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment to drop a comment down below. I'll give you some time to do it right now. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Now let's get back to it. From here, your left foot's free. You have left buffalo, step, touch, clap. I'm going to roll that again. 6, ready, go. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 6, ready, go. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From there, right foot's free. Right buffalo, drag, step, clap. I'm going to show it again from those right buffaloes. 6, ready, go. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Right buffalo. 6, 5, 6. Ready, go. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's connect the left buffaloes to the right. You got this, my friends. 5, 6. Left buffalo. Go. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super duper. One more time. Same spot. 6. Ready. Go. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about how we get into those buffaloes. We get into them from spank, step, clap, heels, toes, heels, left buffalo, left buffalo. So we're going to practice just that transition. Exactly where I did. Spank, step, clap, heels, toes, heels. And then we'll do those first 2 buffaloes. They're on the slow side. Cool. From the spank step so we can practice the transition. 6, ready, go. Spank, step, clap, heels, toes, heels, left buffalo, left buffalo. Good. Again, just that transition. 6. You'll thank me later when we go from the top, I promise. 6, ready, go. Spank, step, clap, heels, toes, heels, left buffalo, left buffalo. One more time. 6, ready, go. Spank, step, clap, heels, toes, heels, and a left buffalo, left buffalo. All right? It's time to take a top all the way through everything you know. Good luck. We'll do it once without music. Then we'll put some music on and make it even more fun. 5, 6, beginning. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, my friends. Let's do it with music. The song is Creepy Cramp Rolls. I created it with AI. I made some adjustments, but primarily AI did the work. And you can get access to stream it for free at the link down below. And if you want to be able to download it and get all the other goodies as well, you can get our Halloween tap pack for just $1. Again, at that same link down below. All right. We're going to start at 33 seconds into the song. So if you download the song or even if you're streaming it, the dance starts at 33 seconds. I'm going to start this about 10% under just to make sure we're solid, and then I'll work you up to real speed. So 10% under real tempo, starting at 33 seconds. Let's see what happens, shall we? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know it feels a little slow. Maybe it's good for you. We'll do one more time at -10, then we're going to boost it a little bit. All right? You're getting the feel for it. It's a fun song. Here we go. 6, ready, go. Boost it to about 5% under. It's enough that you'll notice, but hopefully not enough to throw you off. Here we go, about 5% under. Have fun, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. my friends, the real deal. Here we go. Have a good time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and
one more time, face it.
Well, there you have it. That is the first half of the dance. If you want to stream the music that I'm using for free, click on the link down below. I'll also try to put one up here, but for sure there'll be one down below. In addition, if you click on that link, you can find out how to get access to my Halloween tap pack for just $1. That's going to include the second half of this dance. I'm going to break that down and teach it, in addition to downloading the music and also getting written notes with counts. Plus, you'll get other Halloween combinations with music and written notes with counts as well. It's our huge Halloween tap pack for just $1. You're not going to want to miss that. Thanks so much for tapping with me. I appreciate it. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.